Hello, welcome to Video Jug. I'm Sarah Chapman, beauty expert and facialist. I work with people's skin all the time, and in my facials I do a lot of dynamic massage. We're going to show you some tips on how you can give yourself facial massage at home. It's really nice to use a lovely oil when you're doing your facial massage at home. Choose something maybe that's specifically for your skin type, just a nice lightweight oil, and also you'll get the indulgence probably of essential oils, of smells as well, so giving yourself that kind of at-home facial experience. Just use literally a few drops of your oil and just warm it up between the fingertips. Once you've done that, you just want to apply it onto the skin, so in nice stroking movements. Literally spread it right the way across the face. If it's a nice lightweight oil as well, take it right underneath the eyes as well, because you want to nourish and condition everywhere that you're working. This will give you a nice medium as well to actually work with. So when you do your more dynamic massage, this is going to have given you something to actually work into the skin. If you're doing your facial massage at home, start working upwards always, because we're trying to defy gravity. We don't want the slacking jawline to be pulled downwards and the tissue of the skin to be pulled in a downward direction. We want to lift always with the skin. So using your hands, literally do sweeping movements, lifting up. And again, lovely sweeping movements on the forehead can be really, really relaxing. If you get a lot of tension, if you get deep lines, number 11s just in the middle here, if you've got a lot of lines going across the forehead, just gentle but good firm strokes. So not pulling, but giving a lifting effect. We're going to work here first of all in the eye area, the area that really shows aging. You've probably felt before, if you've pinched into the area in the centre here, that it can actually be quite tender. It can be like an acupressure point that holds a lot of tension. So if you give yourself just a few little pinches, you'll actually ease a lot of the tension that's there and actually help to smooth that away. It's also good draining for around the eyes. It's good to really help to get rid of any dark circles, puffiness, congestion, soreness around the eyes. We're just using some little pressure points underneath the eyes as well. So just working from the inside to the outside. You can apply quite a bit of pressure when you do this, but use your ring finger, because then you're not going to cause too much damage. Just nice, gentle pressure points. And if you really want to do this like a facial, take a big deep breath in at the beginning with the lovely smell of your oils, and then each time that you press, breathe out. Because this is the way that you can really release lots of tension, lots of toxin build-up. We now want to sort of invigorate the jawline. So you can do with a suction movement, literally using your thumb and this part of your index finger. It's a great way for getting quite a dynamic massage. It will cause the skin to sort of redden up. It will get the skin to glow, but that's exactly what you want with facial massage. So again, always work from the inside of the face to the outside. You can also do this on the neck as well, so very good if you're getting deep necklace lines here, because the muscles that run down here, you can see sort of when you do that, but if you work on those, you really help to keep that lifted, and that in turn helps to keep the jawline up as well. So that's a nice relaxing thing in a deep way. So give yourself lots of the nice suction massage. Something else that you can do when you're doing your massage at home is lots of little pinches. So like we pinched across the eyebrows, really get the collagen plumping, really get the blood into the area. Think about it, when the skin is nice and warm and the blood's rushing in, it's bringing in nutrients, it's bringing in all the goodness for the skin. So again, just to bring a bit of colour, look at that, look how it makes the skin look so lovely and glowing. So again, lots of nice pinching, and you can always finish off with some more of the deep stroking movements to really settle everything in the skin. And all of these techniques you can use at home. These are just some simple techniques, but taken really from the type of facial massage that I do in my treatment. So you can adapt this to use at home. So after your cleansing, or if you're giving yourself a little bit of a facial at home, you can incorporate these with a nice, delicious oil.
Done.